guys, today we are doing another Lego Creator Island, and this is the third episode. We have done a lot in 3 episodes. So today we are going to do our normal repairing for our house, seeing our bunny jumping around. Have a look if our bunny needs anything, and go to our other island and see what we can do over there. Maybe get some more blocks. So all we do for our repairing is we just put everything together how we did it at the start, and then it's done. There's our little bunny. Little bunny jumping around and eating. So there's a little bunny. I've got some more gold blocks. I'm able to get some stuff on the other island already, and we are only about 1 minute in the video. So now it is time to go over to our other island and start to build stuff, and just have a look around the islands, make sure everything's running smoothly, and make sure no Tyrannosaurus Rexes are coming over to our island. Just joking. You never know. They might just jump in. Tyrannosaurus Rexes. Maybe a giant bird. You never know. So just building our little digger, or even an excavator. So now our excavator can dig up, or can excavate rocks. And now we can build on that area. So on this island we have still got a monkey to build. I think there might be see, these little things are coming up, but these pad things, and I think later on we'll be able to build on them. Maybe we could build on them now, maybe. Don't know. So we've also got a monkey to do, which I'll be doing the next video. I know I said that last time, but we have quite a lot to do in about 3 minutes, maybe about 4 minutes. So yes, I'll try and fit it in the next video. Next video. So that is the end of this Lego episode 3. I will see you in episode 4 of our little Lego island, and that is the end of this video. So bye guys, and extra sweets and chocolate. Yummy chocolate.